I'm trying to determine what I need for my job here. I'm going to help someone out at their house. So I'm not going to need these things. I'm going to take my drills. I'm going to take my tool belt. This is basically all my tools in here. And then I'm going to grab my meter, check for power, and then if I can find my square drive real quick. Actually, that should already be in there, so maybe an Allen set. I'm not sure if I already have one in there. So that should be about it. Let's do a little side shot. Alright, so currently going to one of my friends' house, an older gentleman from church, one of the founding fathers, I would say, of my career, someone who helped me get into my apprenticeship program. He wrote me a letter of recommendation because if I had 10 letters of recommendation, each one was worth a point, which got me a better position to get into the program. So he wrote me a letter of recommendation, and I think something else I can't remember at the moment.
In half a mile, turn left.
Anyways, I'm going over to his house to do some electrical. He something about a disconnect for a hot tub that he needs to get hooked up or whatever. He just wants it done right and not blow it up or whatever. So I'm gonna go take a peek, and I think I can help him out. So anyways, off we go. Well, he said it was ready to go. I just had to make some connections. Well, that explains otherwise. So what we got going on here? Disconnect, hot tub. Alright, so he's gonna go turn it on. And if this blows up, it was nice knowing you guys. Alright, so we're anyways, installed this, not really installed, I would say, but oh my gosh, I hooked up the disconnect for the hot tub. I didn't really film it because he was watching me the whole time and I didn't want to ask or whatever, but anyways, got that hooked up. It wasn't really ready to go like he said, but anyways, I got it done. Holy, this is bumpy. Pause this for the Camry. We got this rare blue right here for this Camry. I don't know what that's about. And then we got a Camry right in front of us, and we got two Camrys right here. Holy, they're everywhere. Anyways, so he said it was all ready to hook up or whatnot, but obviously it wasn't. As you can see, there was the thing wasn't even pulled. The wire wasn't even ready to go, really. But anyways, no complaints. I just wanted to help him out because he helped me put me through my apprenticeship, and anyways, afterwards he wanted to pay me, and I said, oh no thanks, but anyways, he gave me $50, so you don't really have to twist my arm to take money. So that was really awesome. It only took like, I'd say like 30 to 45 minutes. We talked for like another 20 or so minutes after that or whatever, or just hung out or whatever. So got $50 for like less than an hour's worth of work, which is freaking awesome. So I'm really happy about that. Anyways, I'm just driving home now, so I'm gonna put the camera down and a little sideways there. Anyways, just heading home, and gonna go to a funeral later, probably for someone in high school. One of the guys that was in my group of friends. We were both pretty quiet, but he was always really nice that I remember. So anyways, it's really sad. I'm not sure what happened, but I'm gonna go try to be supportive there, and also try to see some friends that I haven't seen since high school 9 years ago. So anyways, gonna do that, and then a Super Bowl party after that. So back out to Mexico later today. So anyways, I'm gonna get to driving, so I'll catch you later. Alright, well, I'm heading off to a funeral for a classmate of mine, as I mentioned before. anyways, it's a sad day when someone that you knew growing up with is no longer with you, and that's just really sad. And there's nothing really you can say about that makes the situation any better. But hopefully you guys are having a good day and have a good day with your Super Bowl party. I'm assuming that you're having. So anyways, I hate football, but I just like to go out and hang out with my friends. So well, I decided to speak up, and although it was not a mistake, yeah, I let loose, and I guess I was the crier of the group, I guess you would say. It seems as though no one wanted to talk at first, and then a few people spoke, and then I wanted to say something, but then he was like, oh, okay, well, that's it, and then someone else stood up, and then more people kept talking, and then that's when I said my thing, and then basically lost it. So definitely a really good guy, and definitely sad that he's gone, and if I could trade places with him I would, but unfortunately that's not how it works. So definitely a sad day, sad loss. So life is fragile, and you never know when you're going, so I always try to make the most of it, and I don't know, just be a good person. So he will be missed. Well, boys, we're back in Mexico. Oh my goodness. Alright, we're going for it.
In 3.6 miles, turn left.
Alright, she's getting a little thirsty, less than a quarter tank, and we got a 30-something mile drive home. So anyways, heading out. You can't see me, but good time here, Super Bowl party, and thankful for friends.